I made some mutton shorba, which is perfect for winter. Made it for the first time. Hope you guys like it. Do give it a try. Heat your pressure cooker and add some oil. I'm just using Saffola Gold. Add 2 chopped onions. Cook this till it's soft. I'm adding 750 grams of mutton with bone. Because it's a soupy dish, the bone is important. Cook this for some time till the color changes. When the color changes, add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Again, cook for a few minutes till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic go away. Now add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Add your salt to taste. Now mix this and cook it till your oil separates. Now that the oil has separated, make a paste of 3 tomatoes and add it. Then again, keep cooking. Add 3 tablespoons of beaten dahi or curd, whatever you like to call it. Again, keep mixing it till the oil separates. When the oil separates, add 5 cups of water. This is a soupy curry, so add as much of the gravy or the soup that you want. Now, place your pressure cooker. Cook this for 20 minutes. 20 minutes are over. Smells really good. Now add a little bit of garam masala, some green chilies, and a little coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. This looks really nice. I made mutton shorba for the first time and I can't wait to taste it. My mutton shorba is ready. Looks and smells amazing. I'm going to taste this and tell you all how it is. And this tasting is going to be in front of the camera because I've not tasted it yet. I'm going to first try the broth. It's so good. You can have it with toast, you can have it with roti, you can have it with rice, which I probably will. Okay, this is amazing. Perfect for winter. Add a little nimbu and try it. This is going to be my dinner. What is your dinner?